Consecrated, Lord, to Thee. Take my hands and let them move at the impulse of Thy love, at the impulse of Thy love. Take my feet and let them be swift and beautiful for me. Take my voice and let me sing, always only for my King, always only for my King. Take my lips